Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make popular Indian sweet dessert, and this is called Motichoor Ladoo. It's a very famous dessert in India. We normally make it at home or try to buy it from store on every occasion. So let's see how to make this recipe. Here I'm taking 2 cups of chana dal. Chana dal is the raw form of chickpea flour. After grinding this, we get the chickpea flour. So I'm taking the chana dal. Here I have soaked it for 4 hours. After 4 hours, drain the water and grind it. So you don't have to add water while you are grinding it in your blender. So here you can see, after grinding, I am placing it on the air fry basket. I have brushed oil on the basket, but there is no oil in the grinded chickpea or the chana dal. Roll it with your hand like this and place it on the air fry basket like this. Now we're going to air fry this at 385 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. We need not brush oil, just let it air fry for 15 minutes. As soon as it's done, take it out and place it on the plate like this. Let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, we will make a fine powder with it. So here I'm making the sugar syrup. This is a very sweet dessert, so we will have 1.5 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water here. This is the exact measurement that you can take. So once the sugar syrup is nicely boiled, I'm adding saffron strands here. I've added 4 to 5 saffron strands and a yellow color. You can add orange food color or yellow food color. It depends whichever you like to have. So here I'm making a fine powder with the air fried chickpea or the chana dal. We have to coarsely grind it. Don't add water. It has this powdery consistency. It's coarsely grinded. Now in a pan I have heated, I'm adding 1 cup of ghee. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the description below. Now we will add the grinded chana dal. Give it a good mix. It is already air fried and nicely roasted, so we need not roast it anymore. Just in a low medium heat you can cook so that the ghee and the chickpea flour combines together. Once it's done, we will add the sugar syrup to it. So in the sugar syrup it has a saffron strands and a food color. So it gives a very nice aroma to the laddoos that we're making. Very nice flavor also. Give it a good mix like this and close the lid. So once it starts cooling down, the sugar, ghee, everything combines together and it will become like this. So you have to turn the gas stove off and close the lid for 5 to 10 minutes. Now here I'm adding rose water and cardamom powder. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder for extra flavor. Now roll each laddoos and enjoy the sweet dessert. It's done. Perfect and best air fried laddoos ever. I will mention the ingredients used here in the description. Use the exact measurement and you will get the perfect motichoor ladoo. I hope to see you again. Till then, bye bye, take care.